Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NUGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's actually just today's price broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis in the past, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But after today's very nice move, certainly some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, though. Just get rid of these lines down here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update, though, that needs to happen is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that maybe remember the last video I did and remember me talking about $9 as resistance, this would now be considered an area of support. Always good when red lines are being converted into green. A little near-term area of support. Actually, let me make sure that I'm not overlooking anything. So as you can see here, the price, there we go, has not been up this high for a very long time. But ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can hold up above $9.75, that would make things look the strongest. This level is coming back, or is coming from way back here, where, $9.75 was acting as resistance. You can see in both of those instances, the price, got rejected from it. And again, going to the foundational rules of charting, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that level was broken above today. So $9.75, the ideal level of support. Now, if the price drops below $9.75, I'm not sitting here saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, that would certainly make the chart look the strongest if the price can hold above it. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some of these next potential battlegrounds? I'm going to go ahead and change this to the daily, and we'll go to the hourly time frame. That way, it's a little bit easier to see. There we go. Well, yeah, there we go. And that helped out a little bit. Good problem to have, though. From the longs perspective, this is a good issue to have. Next key level of resistance right up there at about $10.65. And then after $10.65, next level up around $11.85. So at the end of the day, though, all in all, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building these higher bases, then the long-term chart is going to continue to take care of itself like it's been doing for the past couple of weeks. So we'll have to see how the week closes out tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the ETFs and stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate ETFs and stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.